Thank you. Hey, did you know right here, right on your neck is the first signs of aging that happen? It's, what is it called, the turkey neck or something, not your face? Dr. Ataii from Laser Clinique is here with some ways to make your neck look younger. Dr. Ataii, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Good morning.
I'm guilty of that. I get a mirror all the time and I'm like, oh my goodness, make this flat. I feel like I'm getting old. But there are things that you can do. Why do we get old, Dr. Ataii, first on our neck?
As a natural part of the aging process, you're going to start noticing some fullness, some skin laxity, and also the muscle weakens called the platysma.
Okay, right underneath the neck. Because you see plenty of people, they look very young right here in the face, but not the neck.
I think the challenge is they take care of their face, but they forget to take care of that neck.
Okay, and there's some really neat ways, very new ways that you can tighten this and shave off some years. Can you go through and tell us some of the things that you can do and what they do exactly?
We usually start off by addressing if there's any fat in the area.
Like this?
There isn't much that you have, but if there's any fat that a patient potentially has, men or women, we can use Kybella, which is an injectable that melts the fat underneath the neck.
Does it hurt?
You know, pain is relative.
Oh, look at this.
But you can see a dramatic change.
Wow.
That's after 2 treatments, and that one is after 4 treatments or 6 treatments on an individual.
Okay.
But you'll notice that Kybella will help melt that fat pocket and itself will provide a little bit of skin tightening.
Okay.
Another method is using the Cool Mini. The Cool Mini uses this unique device where we attach this cooling device to your neck to melt that fat permanently.
Okay.
So this is kind of like the handpiece that it covers.
Look at those results.
Usually requires a couple of treatments and they make a dramatic change.
Okay, what is the cost for something like that?
So the Cool Mini can range about $1,200 per session.
Okay.
The Kybella, depending on how much you need, anywhere from $600 to $1,800 per session.
Okay, so depending what your budget is, you have a lot of options.
You do, as far as the fat.
Okay.
Once we've addressed the fat, then you want to address the skin.
Okay.
Now, the skin will become lax in some individuals as they age, and so we use a unique device, non-invasive device called Therapy that will help tighten the skin.
This is FDA approved.
That's FDA approved. We've been using it now for over 6 to 7 years in addressing skin laxity.
Wow, look at those differences.
Pretty dramatic.
Do
These
you
are all
do
patients.
it once or do you do it more than once?
So usually each treatment, the results take about 90 days to notice, and they should last 2 to 3 years before you have to repeat it.
Okay, and then is this, like, does this hurt and how much does this go? You like my question, does it hurt? How much does it cost?
Again, we usually numb the patients before the treatments, and it can range anywhere from $1,500 to $4,500 depending on the part of the face or neck we're addressing.
Okay, and it replaces the surgery where you have to really go in and do something pretty invasive.
It offsets the need for surgery.
I like offsetting. Okay, finally, I just learned about this not too long ago. I had no idea that you can use Botox in your neck.
So one of the ways that we can, again, offset the need for surgical platysmoplasty, as they refer to it, is using Botox along the vertical muscle lines called the platysma to relax that muscle. By doing so, it doesn't show the strain of that muscle. So if you were to say E, and you see those muscles,
oh, don't look at that.
Then we can address that muscle by using Botox.
Okay, well, at least we know that there's things that we can do to gracefully age. Dr. Ataii, thank you for being here. If you want to get more information on Laser Clinique, it's right off the freeway, fox5sandiego.com. Click the scene on tab. You rock.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
All right, we'll send it over to you.